Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to check ledgers in Tally. To begin, navigate to the gateway of Tally, which is your main dashboard. From there, select Display More Reports to access additional reporting options. Next, choose Account Books to delve into your financial records. Finally, click on Ledger to open the list of all available ledgers. This initial step is crucial for accessing the detailed financial information you need. Once you are on the ledger selection screen, simply choose the specific ledger you wish to examine. For instance, you might select a cash or bank ledger. Tally will then display the ledger voucher screen, detailing every transaction associated with that account. You can easily adjust the reporting period by using the period change option, allowing you to view data for a specific month or year. Additionally, pressing F4 enables filtering by voucher type. With the ledger details open, take time to examine the individual debit and credit entries for each transaction. This helps in understanding the flow of funds. Always verify the opening and closing balances to ensure accuracy and consistency. If you need more information about a particular entry, you can easily drill down into any voucher to see its full details. For comparative analysis, the auto column feature is incredibly useful, allowing you to compare data across different periods. After reviewing your ledger, you might want to export the data for further analysis or record keeping. Simply press Alt-T to initiate the export process. Tally offers various formats, including PDF for easy viewing or Excel for detailed manipulation. Remember to specify your desired file path and a clear name for the exported report. If you need a physical copy, you can directly print the ledger report by pressing Alt-P, providing a convenient way to share information.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.